Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be share with you how you can use Canva for video editing. So let's go to the browser first. Write your Canva and search it to Google. Click the first option, free designing tool. Then click on create a design. Click right here video, and you can see many options with sizes, but I'm choosing this one, video collage, because it's landscape. Now you can choose a video from uploads, go to videos and upload your files from the computer, but I have already so I'm choosing from templates. Let's choose this one. After choosing this one, you can play here. You can add any text, or you can edit any text, or you can add also any text. So let's add some text. Go to text. You can choose any text from here to add, or you can click on add a heading to customize your text. Double click on this and backspace from your keyboard and write your text like memories. Now if you want to change this text color, just double click on this and go to text color. Scroll down and you will find many colors. I'm choosing a color, green color. Okay, so now you can also add music here. How you can add music? Go to uploads, go to audio and upload file from your computer. Then choose here. I'm already uploaded, so I'm choosing this one. Let's hear this. This video will be music will be added for 7 seconds. Alright, so you can also customize this video, like go to design, elements, and you can add anything here, like you can add this thing, customize it, or you can resize it. Okay, so guys, I'm showing you the basic tutorial of editing a video in Canva. Okay, after finishing your editing, you can download it in your computer. So if you want to download, go to here, click here, pause it, and you can hear this download button. Click on here and it will be downloaded. So you also can share. Click on share and put an email address and click on send. Then it will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so guys, this is how you can basically edit a video in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.